Hello everybody, Brekkie here and welcome. The people that watch my stream, they know that I had a big announcement to make last week, but I couldn't really share all the details and everything. Well, maybe if you've seen Twitter and you've seen my tweet about Logitech G, you might really know what's going up on this video. So I've teamed up with Logitech G and they sent me over a G513 mechanical keyboard to test out. And I did, and I do want to share with you guys a few things about the keyboard. Now, the people at Logitech G, they were so kind that they sent also some other Logitech G products. And I will be doing a giveaway of some of those products. And if you want to know more about this giveaway, you can check the link down below or at the end of the video. Alright guys, let's go over some of the cool stuff that this keyboard has to offer. So when you open the G513 mechanical keyboard, you'll see that you get three components. You get the keyboard itself, you get the foam polymers, which we're going to talk about later, and you also get a small package including some gaming keycaps. So let's talk about the keyboard first. The first thing you'll probably notice when you plug in the keyboard are all the colors. The G513 offers a customizable full spectrum RGB, meaning that each key can have a different color. Now that is actually a really cool thing, because if you're playing a lot of FPS games like I do, and you want to, for example, change your movement keys to a red color and your keys where you're switching your weapons to like a blue color, it is completely possible. Now, I'm not sure what impact these different key colors will have on your gameplay, but it is a really cool way to personalize your keyboard. The Logitech G513 mechanical keyboard comes with two different Romer G mechanical switches. One of them is a tactile and the other one is the linear. Now, I've tested the version with the linear, but if you guys want to know a lot more details about the difference between the tactile and the linear keystrokes, you should be able to find information on the Logitech G website. I'll put the website down below in the description. Now, after playing a couple of games on this keyboard, I do have to say that the keys felt extremely smooth. But on the other hand, they didn't really make that much sound. And as a streamer, I find that very important, because I do not want to have that annoying tapping sound in the background of my stream when I'm streaming. You may have noticed in the background the foam polymers. Now, the polymers, as well as the keyboard itself, they're made out of very durable material. And I have to say, I really do like the foam polymers. And actually for two reasons. First of all, it's extremely comfortable. I do have a feeling that I'll be able to play longer sessions while playing together with this foam polymers. And the second thing is the foam polymers is actually detached from the keyboard. It's completely separate from the keyboard, meaning that you can place it wherever you want. So you guys can see a picture of the 12 additional keycaps that come with the G513. So as you can see, these 12 additional keycaps, they have a bit of a different shape than the regular flat keys that come on the keyboard. The keys have a little bit of a gap in the middle, and that's to increase your grip on these keys. If you want to see the G513 in full action, I want to let you know that I will be streaming with the keyboard, and I will also put a webcam on the keyboard so you'll be able to see the keyboard itself. Again, a big thank you to Logitech G for sending me over this keyboard. I do still have some tests to run, but I do believe that this keyboard will have a positive impact on my gameplay in the future. Now, before we end the video, I want to remind you guys that there will be a giveaway of some Logitech G products, so be sure to check out the links down in the description below. I'll see you guys on stream.